Now, if we go to a tour type that doesn't have any calendar entries yet, let's go ahead and find one. I'm going to jump back to our administrative site. I'll go to content, and we don't have any desert spin tours yet. So I'll copy this URL and go back to our other window and paste it in. And when we look, we have the block, but we don't have anything showing up here. As far as I've been able to discover, there's no way to hide this view if there's no results without using custom code. Though I have a feeling that this might be an oversight on my part. But what we can do is display a placeholder here if there are no results. So something like, there are no tours of this type scheduled at this time. So let's do that. So here, under no results behavior, let's click add. And this is similar to the interface that we had for adding a header. Let's add a text area. And for the content, we'll put there are no tours of this type scheduled at this time. And let's click apply all displays. Let's save this. Now, when we did this, we applied this to all displays. It might have been better for us to only apply this to the block, but this is still relevant to the calendar page where someone can filter by tour type and they could end up with an empty result set. All right, I'm going to close this and I'll go back to the front end and refresh. Okay, so now it says there are no tours of this type scheduled at this time.